Hello all, we have WGR614 V7 model wireless router from Netgear in our home. So one of the problem that we have seen is a very slow internet. So we have a high speed broadband internet connection which can go up to 40 Mbps actually, but when we test the speed using a speed test that is available over Google, we see that our speeds were not crossing even 7 Mbps, 8 Mbps. So the connection was slow, we were unable to use the internet properly. There was a lot of disconnect in between if there are some huge downloads that we wanted to do. And as a part of our regular work, we used to struggle. So now we did two things which helped to recover the speed. So the first thing that we tried was we just tried to reset the Netgear router. So when you reset the Netgear router, what happens is it comes to its default factory locations. And then again you have to give your settings, and that's a big headache. So other than that, if you know the username and password of your router, what you can do is you can upgrade the firmware to a latest version of this Netgear. So with that, we just tried that option, and with that option we could see that the speed drastically improved, and now instead of just 8-9 Mbps, we see that we are getting up to 25-28 Mbps as well. So again, we know, right, over Wi-Fi the speed varies. We may not be able to get full 40 Mbps, so at least we were able to go near that speed which was intended. So in case if you are struggling, just try, first thing, you can just try to upgrade your firmware without resetting the router, because if you are a networking guy and if you have a lot of configurations that you have done on this router, played around with this router, then you might miss all those configurations. And also in case if you reset the router, and also you have to configure your ISP settings again, which is a headache. You have to talk to the ISP and get those settings. So instead of that, the best option is first upgrade the firmware over the router, and in case if you need, just talk to your internet service provider and get those settings ready. So this is one of the option that we have tried and it worked. In case if your internet service provider says our line is okay and we don't have any problem, and in case if you get a slow internet, the culprit could be the router. Okay, try this and post your comments. Please let us know if there is some improvement, or if you have done something different other than this to improve the speed. Thank you.